Do you want to learn what's involved to order an Apple Vision Pro, along with specs and accessories available for it? Find out now on Let's Talk Tech today. Hi everyone, Mike here. I'm going to show you what's involved to order the Apple Vision Pro. As you can see, we are going through the steps live here on the app on my iPhone 15 Pro Max. First thing it's going to want to do is do the fit test to your face to know what seal is necessary. We'll speed this up a little bit here so you don't have to watch it all. So let's scroll through here, see what else is involved here. We will click Get Started. And it looks like it's going to ask us some questions regarding whether or not we wear glasses or contacts. And if we do wear glasses, whether they're prescription or over the counter. And what type of prescription that we use on our glasses, if they're for near or far distance. And whether or not you use prisms in your lenses. My understanding is ZEISS does not support the prism option at this time. And we will choose personal engraving here. Let's throw, let's see, we will put L T TTT for Let's Talk Tech today. Those are $149 for that option. Looks like here we have three options for the storage capacity. We'll just scroll down here, see what else they might have available. What it includes, the battery, the dual loop band, the light seal cushion, the cover for the front of them, and that infamous polishing cloth. Let's take a look at the tech specs. It does, again, come in three storage capacities. It includes the M2 processor, 8 core, the new R1 processor, along with all the other sensors, and the battery looks about a 2-hour battery, 5.3 Bluetooth, and it does list the features available, and here are the built-in apps that will come native on the device. Operating temperatures, and made with 100% recycled aluminum. Looks like just some disclaimers here, so let's go back. Let's take a look at AppleCare. $29 service fee, $300 deductible for any accidental damages, which could pay for themselves quickly if you accidentally place them down. And here's some frequently asked questions. I will expand through these different ones. That way you can take a good look at the answers to some of these common questions that are being presented to people. Are they covered by insurance? The inserts, international customers. About sharing it with another individual. That's going to be very important for many people that want to use them with other family members. Let's go back up here and let's just choose the 256 gig option. AppleCare is $4.99 upfront or payable $25 a month over the 2-year period. Okay, scroll back up to the top here again. So we are going to buy this with the lens inserts and the 256 gig. And I am going to go with the monthly option on AppleCare since it can be canceled at any point, since it's such an expensive device. And these will be available to me February 2nd. You can get a hard case for this for traveling. I'm going to assume there's probably some good aftermarket ones that will be made available soon. Looking on Amazon, we will place those in the description of this video once they become available. Here's the information about the travel case. And see here, there is a battery holster holder, it looks like. You don't have to put it in somebody's pocket. Seems like a very pricey accessory. We'll just scroll through here, see if it says anything important. I'm sure many people may want something like this if they don't wish to have a battery, if it's heavy, sitting inside of a pocket. Warranty, 2-year warranty. Should be lifetime for that price. And let's see here. AirPods Pro, we already have a pair. And the extra battery. This, I'm sure many people are going to be interested in wanting multiple battery packs if they're going to be traveling. But one thing I am curious when I do receive it is with the USB-C charging port on that, if I can use a standalone spare battery that you can pick up for roughly $50 and avoid having to pay Apple's high premium. Don't need an AirTag. I already have one, but an AirTag would be smart to keep with one of these if it's in a locked case. So we have the cost of the device, the glasses, and the coverage, and that's it. So it does appear, besides having close to $4,000 for the entry-level one of these, if you need the lenses, and if you want to include insurance on that, as well as any of the other accessories, these quickly can go over the $5,000 price point. We are ordering this. We are going to give it the best try. I'm curious just how well that I'm going to be able to see clearly, even with the prescription lenses on this, the device being in such close proximity to my eyes. And we plan to produce lots of videos for this. Please give us your recommendations of what you would like to learn more about this. We will be doing a video the minute we receive this, as much as I do not like to do unboxing videos to waste people's time how to open an item. I feel this being so expensive that it will be probably an advantage for people to see what's involved. We thank you for tuning in today, and we look forward to hearing whether or not you will be purchasing a pair for yourself and your suggestions that you would like us to do. Thank you, and have a fantastic day.